Hey kids, welcome to KBD Toys TV. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Kinder Egg Surprise, Monsters University Limited Edition. And in this limited edition, you can collect 12 different toys to add to your collection. Alright, let's open this box of 3 Kinder Egg Surprise. I wonder what treasures are lying inside these 3 eggs. Let's start with egg number 1. Alright, it looks like we have the character Art. Let's put him together and see how he looks. A quick snap, and Art is in one piece. Look at that smile, kids. Okay, let's see who or what is in egg number 2. It looks like it's going to be a James P. Sullivan keychain. A quick snap together. A sticker for the back. A sticker for the front, and we have ourselves an awesome James P. Sullivan keychain for your backpack. Okay, let's open up egg number 3 and see who or what is inside this egg. That doesn't look like James P. Sullivan. That's another Art. All right, let's put this Art together with a quick snap. How would you like to have all that purple fur? All right, I think it's time for an ending photo. And there you go, kids. 3 more awesome toys to add to our collection. Thanks for watching KBD Toys TV. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, rate, and check out these other awesome videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.